Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Medibil Pro. I hope you guys will be fine and doing great and enjoying your good lives as usual. So today we are going to continue our session of remote work from home and on-site jobs. So today I have a job which is going to be offered in Karachi city. Okay, so if you're residing in Karachi, then you can just go for it. And most importantly, this is for the fresher ones. अगर आप fresh हैं, ठीक है, then you guys can just go and apply on this one job. Okay, so they are going to basically recruit a intern, medical billing intern. Okay, so you guys can simply just go ahead and apply on this one. This will not take more than 5 minutes of yours, and they are also offering 50 to 60k salary. That is a good salary. Okay, so that will be depending on your experience and communications as well. Like, that's not depending on your medical billing experience, but your communication skills, analytical skills, typing skills, and all that kind of stuff. ठीक है, सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शेयर माई स्क्रीन विद यू गाइस. लेट्स सी कि हाँ भी किस तरीके से हमने इसके ऊपर अप्लाई करना है. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट्स डू दे वांट एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अदर थिंग्स डू दे रिक्वायर फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ अ job. Okay, so this is a job number 24 and here we go. So as you guys can now see my screen, so this is basically a Cybrid company, cybrid.com. Okay, so we just need to go into the Google and then you can just go cybrid.com. Okay, so you will be just directed to this page. Okay, so after once you are on this page, then you can just go into the simply career section. आप लोगों ने career section के अंदर जाना है. यहाँ पर आप लोगों को जो jobs है वो यहाँ पर आप लोगों को available मिल जाएंगे. Okay, so let's see what kind of a jobs do we have available over here. Okay, so hiring for following positions, so customer support, to this sell artist. Okay, so आप लोगों ने यहाँ पर जाके उसके बाद यहाँ पर load more करना है. So let's see. Okay, so here we have medical billing intern. Okay, so the job which we are looking for, that is medical billing department, medical billing intern. So let's see what kind of a jobs, responsibilities and job other kind of a things do they looking for. So location is in Karachi. So let me zoom in one so you guys can just see all the things in a quite good way. And this is a night shift. Okay, so night shift के अंदर ये jobs available हैं because you guys know that in medical billing you guys need to work according to the USA schedule. ठीक है, यूएसए के स्केड्यूल के अकॉर्डिंग काम करना होता है. सो 7 PM टू 4 AM जॉब की टाइमिंग है. क्वालिफिकेशन मिनिमम इंटरमीडिएट आर ओ लेवल्स. सो दिस इज अ क्वाइट गुड एंड इम्प्रेसिव काइंड ऑफ स्टफ कि हाँ भी जिनकी क्वालिफिकेशन इंटरमीडिएट है, सो उनके लिए भी ये जॉब अवेलेबल है. Experience fresh must have strong communication skills and willingness to learn. So if you have a strong communication skill, okay, basically English communication skills, you guys know that when we are working in a medical billing department in a company, then we basically need to conversate, or we need to talk to different kind of insurance companies and other providers as well. So that is the main reason you guys need to have a good communication skills so you guys can just work in this one. Okay, so what are the job specifications? Effective communication with internal and external customers, quick adaptability, and eagerness to learn मेडिकल बिलिंग प्रोसेस. जॉब कैटेगरी मेडिकल बिलिंग, जॉब टाइप फुल है. ठीक है, लोकेशन क्या है? कराची. ओके, सो इसको अप्लाई करने के लिए सिंपली यू गाइस नीड टू ऐड सम पर्सनल डिटेल्स लाइक फुल नेम, ईमेल एड्रेस, फोन नंबर, सेलेक्ट योर सिटी. सो आप लोगों की जो भी सिटी है यहाँ पर आप लोग यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सिटी सेलेक्ट करें और उसके बाद अदर सिटी नेम ऑप्शनल है. सेलेक्ट योर क्वालिफिकेशन, यू गाइस नीड टू सेलेक्ट योर क्वालिफिकेशन. ओके, एंड यूनिवर्सिटी नेम, आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी का नेम भी यहाँ पर आ जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सिटी. ओके, अगर वहाँ पर नहीं है then you guys can write that one over here. Okay, after that you guys need to upload your professional attractive resume. So this is the most important kind of a stuff. So if you don't know how you guys need to make your professional resume, then this is basically you guys can just go onto my YouTube channel Medibil Pro and you guys can just find out few lectures over there, like 2 to 3 lectures I have already made, that how you guys can just prepare your professional and attractive resume according to your medical billing. Okay, so आप लोग वहाँ पर easily देख सकते हो और उसके थ्रू यहाँ पर आके अप्लाई कर सकते हो. Okay, by using this form you agree with the storage and handling of your data by this website. फिर उसके बाद simply हमने submit करना है. You will be just receiving a confirmation message over here and confirmation email as well, which you have provided over here. Okay, so in this way you guys can simply apply on this job. So this is medical billing intern. Once again, if you are an intern and intermediate person, okay, आप लोगों की just 12th means कि आपकी cleared है या O level आपने किया है and you want to learn this skill, medical billing skill, then you guys can just go and apply on this company. Okay, so best of luck to you, all of you. If you guys have any kind of a questions or concerns regarding this kind of a job, then you guys can let me know. So this was all about today's job. So this is medical billing intern in Karachi. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, अगर कोई problem आता है apply करने के time पे, if you have any kind of a situations, then you guys can let me know. And one more important thing, you guys can learn this skill free for free. Okay, so आप freely means ये है कि ये skill जो है medical billing की you guys can learn from my YouTube channel. Okay, so this will not take more than like 2 to 3 months for the basic kind of a things, so you guys will understand that what is basically medical billing, what are the different kind of departments in medical billing, and all that kind of a stuff. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then you guys can subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Okay, so that is MediBill Pro once again, and you guys can learn different kind of skills over there: medical billing, medical coding. You guys can just prepare your interviews as well over there, because I have already uploaded different lectures over there. Okay, and whenever I just found a job for you guys in whatever the city it is, so I'm just going to post that one for you guys. So best of luck to all of you, and once again, if you have any issues, concerns regarding medical billing, then you guys can let me know. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next lecture with different kind of a stuff. So till then, take care of yourself and of your family, and do remember me in your kind prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.